Wait. Wait. Hmm. Have you ever noticed something strange about yourself, Emma?
Strange how, Robert?
Like, you know what to say, you know what to do, but when the moment comes, you just freeze.
Oh, yeah. That hit a little too close.
Hmm. Stay with me. If this feels familiar, don't skip. This conversation might explain more than you expect.
Okay. Hi, everyone. I'm Emma.
And I'm Robert. And today, we're talking about something people rarely admit.
That silent moment when your mind goes blank, your chest tightens, and you suddenly feel small.
Exactly. Not panic, not fear, just stuck. Emma, before we go deep, let me ask you something simple.
Hmm?
How many times this week did you replay a conversation in your head?
Oh, wow. Too many.
And how many times did you think, I should have said something else?
Almost every time.
See? That's not confidence. That's not intelligence. That's something else.
What is it then?
We'll get there. But first, let's slow this down.
Robert, can I be honest?
Always.
Sometimes I feel like I'm watching my own life from the outside, like I'm there, but not really there.
That dissociation feeling.
Yes, people talk, moments happen, and I'm already thinking about what I should say instead of actually saying it.
That's a key detail. Most people miss it.
Miss what?
You're not frozen because you're shy. You're frozen because your brain is trying to be perfect.
Oh, that hurts.
It should, because perfection is expensive, and you're paying with your voice.
Can I tell you something embarrassing?
Go on.
Last week, someone asked me a simple question, nothing serious.
And?
I smiled, I nodded, and I said nothing.
Nothing at all?
Nothing. My throat closed, my heart started racing, and I hated myself for it afterward.
That self-hate part, that's the real damage.
Yeah, because after that, I didn't just feel awkward, I felt broken.
You're not broken, Emma. You're overloaded. Your brain does this. Think fast, judge faster, block action.
So it's like a traffic jam?
Exactly. Thoughts everywhere, no movement.
That makes so much sense.
Most people think confidence means no fear.
But it doesn't.
No. Confidence is movement despite fear. Pause. Emma, listen carefully.
Okay.
If you wait until you feel ready, you'll be waiting forever.
Because the feeling never comes?
Because readiness is created after action, not before.
Wow, I've been doing it backwards my whole life.
Most people do. Let's pause for 2 seconds.
I actually feel calmer.
That's because silence isn't your enemy. Overthinking is. In the next part, Emma, we're going to talk about something uncomfortable.
Uh-oh.
The reason you freeze isn't the situation.
Then what is it?
It's the story you tell yourself about the situation.
I want to hear that.
Good, because that story can be rewritten. Emma, let me ask you something very specific.
Okay.
When you freeze, what is the first sentence that appears in your head?
Usually it's something like, don't mess this up.
There it is.
That's bad, isn't it?
It's not bad. It's dangerous.
Dangerous how?
Because that sentence isn't advice. It's a threat. Let's slow this down.
All right.
That voice in your head, it doesn't say try or explore or express.
No, it says, be careful.
Exactly. And when the brain hears danger, it chooses silence.
So freezing is actually protection?
Yes, your brain thinks it's saving you.
From what?
From embarrassment, from rejection, from being judged.
That makes me sad.
Why?
Because it means I've been fighting myself, not the world.
Most people do. They think confidence is external.
But it's internal.
It's identity-based. Emma, can I challenge you?
Please do.
You don't freeze because you're bad at speaking.
Then why?
Because deep down, you see yourself as someone who might fail.
Ugh.
That identity controls behavior.
So if I saw myself differently?
Your reactions would change automatically. Think about this.
Okay.
When you're alone, do you freeze?
No, I talk to myself all the time.
Exactly. So the skill is there.
Then what changes around people?
Meaning.
Meaning?
You attach meaning to their reactions. Here's a hard truth.
I'm ready.
People are not thinking about you as much as you think.
I know that logically.
But emotionally, you still feel watched.
Yes.
That's because your inner voice is louder than the room. If you remember one thing today, remember this.
Go on.
Your problem is not confidence, it's self-pressure.
Wow.
And pressure kills spontaneity. Next time you feel frozen,
Yes?
don't try to say something smart.
Then what should I do?
Say something simple.
Like?
1 second. Let me think. That's interesting.
That sounds easy.
Because it is. Your brain just forgot.
I feel lighter hearing this.
Good. That means something inside you relaxed.
I've been trying to perform instead of connect.
And connection doesn't need perfection. In the next part,
Yes?
we're going to talk about the exact moment right before you freeze.
That split second?
Yes, because if you learn to catch that moment, everything changes.
All right. Emma, let's go exactly there.
Okay. I'm listening.
That moment. Right before you freeze.
I know it.
Good. Describe it.
It's fast. Very fast.
Yes.
Someone looks at me or waits for my answer.
And
My chest tightens. Just a little.
that's the signal.
Then my mind goes blank.
Not blank. Blocked. Let me explain something important, Emma.
Okay.
Your brain switches modes.
Modes?
Yes, from thinking to surviving.
Oh.
Language lives in the thinking part.
So survival shuts it down.
Exactly.
But why does it feel so intense?
Because your body reacts before logic arrives.
That makes sense.
Your heart speeds up, breath shortens, muscles tense.
Yes, that's exactly it.
Here's the key question.
Go on.
At that moment, what are you afraid of losing?
Losing?
Yes,
Respect?
there it is.
I don't want to sound stupid.
So silence feels safer. Emma, silence doesn't protect respect.
It doesn't?
It slowly kills your confidence.
That hurts to hear.
I know, but it's freeing too. Now, listen carefully.
I'm ready.
You cannot stop the freeze instantly.
Then what can I do?
You can interrupt it
How?
with the body, not words. When you feel the tight chest,
Yes?
slow inhale through the nose, long exhale through the mouth.
That already feels calming.
Because your body hears safety. Your brain listens to the body first.
Not the thoughts?
Not at all.
Wow.
Calm body, access to words. Now, another important thing, Emma.
Tell me.
The first word doesn't need to be perfect.
I always try to make it perfect.
That's the trap. Use neutral openers.
Like,
Let me think.
That's a good question.
Those by time.
Exactly.
I feel like I've been too hard on myself.
Most strong people are.
I thought confidence meant no fear.
Confidence means moving with fear. Remember this sentence, I will. Freezing is not failure. It's feedback.
Feedback that I'm under pressure.
Yes. Next, Robert and Emma will talk about
What exactly?
how to train this daily, in real life, without stress.
I need that.
Everyone does.
Okay. Emma, now we go practical.
Good. I need real steps.
Not theory. Life. Tell me honestly, Emma.
Okay.
How much time do you really have per day?
10 minutes? Maybe 15?
Perfect.
Really?
Yes, more time creates pressure. Your brain learns safety first.
Not grammar?
Never grammar first.
That's surprising.
If it feels safe, it speaks. First step, no English yet.
No English?
Just voice.
Okay.
Hum softly, low sound. Good. This relaxes the throat. Now English, very slow.
How slow?
Uncomfortably slow.
That feels strange.
Strange means new.
Like, I am learning English.
Perfect.
No sentence building?
Not yet. Next step, Emma.
I'm listening.
Speak, but don't finish sentences.
What?
Like natives do.
Yesterday, at work, my boss.
Yes, that's real speech.
I never allow myself that.
That's why you freeze.
So I don't need full sentences?
You never did.
I feel lighter.
That's confidence returning. Important rule now.
Tell me,
No deep topics.
why?
Depth creates pressure.
So what do I talk about?
Daily life, food, weather, plans.
Simple things.
Simple builds fluency. What do you tell yourself when you make mistakes?
I panic.
Change the script.
To what?
I'm allowed to sound human. So daily routine looks like this.
I'm ready.
Voice warm-up, slow words, broken speech, safe topics.
Only 10 minutes?
Every day. Emma, one truth.
Yes?
Never suddenly.
I feel like I can actually do this.
Because you can.
What's next?
How to use this routine in real conversations with real people.
That scares me, but in a good way.
Good. That means growth. All right. Emma, now comes the real test.
Talking to people?
Yes, real people, real moments. Imagine this.
Okay.
You're at work or a cafe. Someone asks you a question.
My heart starts racing already.
That's fine. Let it. Rule number 1, Emma.
I'm listening.
Do not answer immediately.
Really?
Yes. Pause.
That feels risky.
It feels confident. Native speakers pause all the time.
I thought pausing was bad.
No, rushing is bad. Pause says, I'm thinking, not, I'm weak. After the pause,
Yes?
use safe entry phrases.
Like we said before.
Exactly.
That's interesting. Let me think.
Perfect.
I feel less pressure already.
Because you stopped performing.
I'm just responding.
That's real communication.
What if I say something wrong?
You will.
That's reassuring and scary.
Smile. Continue.
Don't apologize?
Not excessively. Mistakes make you human.
Not stupid.
Exactly. Emma, repeat this quietly.
Okay.
I'm allowed to take space.
I'm allowed to take space.
Again.
I'm allowed to take space.
Confidence is not loud.
It's calm.
Yes, calm is powerful.
I wish someone told me this earlier, Robert.
You're hearing it now, Emma.
I wasted years being silent.
No, you were preparing. Imagine 6 months from now.
Okay.
You speak slower. You pause naturally. People listen.
That feels possible.
Because it is. Remember this.
I will.
Your voice doesn't need permission.
It never did. Thank you, Robert,
Thank yourself, Emma,
for staying.
for trying. To everyone listening,
You're not behind.
you're not broken.
You're learning to speak.
As yourself. We'll talk again soon.
Take your time.
And use your voice.